So I got a jump starter here. It's 12 volt, 1000 amp jump starter. This is good for engines up to 5.0 liters gasoline or up to 3.5 diesel engines. So this is great for lawnmowers, boats, snowmobiles, trucks, cars, you name it, and you can help start your car. I don't know if you've ever been there in the wintertime, but your car won't start. This is gonna help you get it started when it's super cold and your battery doesn't want to start. It's very compact and light and easy to carry. So I like that. You can store it right in your trunk or maybe in your boat. That's what we're gonna be using it for this summer. And I'm gonna start a lawnmower with it right here. It comes in this beautiful carrying case. It's hard, so it'll take care of it for you. And here are the contents of the package. It comes with the charger itself, the jump starter. And I want to show you a few things about this. It has some USB ports so you can charge your devices with this, your phone, your tablet, or your computer. So that's another cool feature of this. You want to ensure that you charge it with the Type-C USB charger before use. Go ahead and give it a full charge before you use it. It needs to be above 30% charged to use it as a jump starter. So we're going to go ahead and get ready and jump start our lawnmower here. The first thing you're going to do is go ahead and hit that power button on. You want to see 4 lights there, 4 blue lights. Then we can go ahead and insert our EC5 jumper cables into the port. Next, we can go ahead and place our negative on the negative terminal and then our positive on the pause. Now you're going to see a green light if it's above 30%. So that's going to tell you that you're ready to jump start this vehicle. And we're going to do it. After waiting, I'm going to go ahead and tell you that this thing has a light on it as well, which would be super handy if you're doing this in the dark. You hold the power button for 3 seconds and it's going to go ahead and turn on that light for you. You can see that. And if you want to change the modes of the light, there's 3 modes. Just short press the power button. We got a blinking, a really flashing, fast flashing, and then off. So 30 seconds is up. Let's go ahead and get it started. What an awesome portable charger. You can use it for so many different functions. If you're looking for one, definitely check this one out.